So this is a showcase of assignment 6 of computer systems and organization. In this assignment with MIPS assembly, we write two different programs. One is the Fibonacci program, and the other one is the bubble sort. So just to give a quick rundown of how this Fibonacci works, on the right are the instructions. Basically, you give it a number, and it'll give you that many digits of the Fibonacci sequence. So let's compile it and run it, see how it works. Please enter a positive integer you see in the bottom left. I'm just going to say, give me the first 15 digits, or the first 15 numbers of the Fibonacci sequence, and there they are. Starting at 0, and the Fibonacci sequence is like, so 0 plus 1 is 1, that's the next number. 1 plus 1 is 2, that's the next number. 1 plus 2 is 3. And if you can see, it just like kind of adds up. It's like the previous number and the one before it equals the next number. Let's run it again. Let's just get the first one, which is 0. And let's try 3. So you can see that's how that works. And then the next assignment, or the next portion of this assignment, is the bubble sort, which is a very simple sorting algorithm. These are the assignments, the description assignment. You can see kind of the example of how it's run. In my example right now, I just have 1 for -1, and this is my logic for how I work through all that. So basically, I start by printing out the array, the before sort. I sort it, and then I print out after the sort. So let's compile it. And that's how it works. It starts with 1 for -1, and then it does it in ascending order from -1 to 1 to 4. And then if you want to see it, we can just test it out again. Let's give it 100, 12, -6, 8, 101. And how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's see how this works. There we go. As you can see, it sorted it. So yeah, that's just a quick rundown of the Fibonacci sequence program and the bubble sort program in MIPS assembly.